Hi there, students. A sociolect. A sociolect. Okay, this is the language, the form of language used by a group of people. Okay, so the sociolect that you speak with your friends, it's the linguistics, the variety of language with a specific social group. It's what you would call a social dialect. It's the way that you speak with a group of people. So, for example, lawyers tend to speak in one way. Football supporters speak in another way. Each of these are sociolects. As people, we normally speak the sociolect of the group of people that we are with, but we speak different sociolects. Let's see, you don't speak the sociolect that you use when you speak to your mum or dad is not the same as the sociolect that you use when you're speaking to your mates, and this is not the sociolect that I use perhaps when I'm talking to my students. So these are all different sociolects. They're different forms of speaking. It depends who you are with. It's the dialect of a particular social group, sociolect, or perhaps the way a particular social class speak. For example, in the UK, the different social classes speak very different sociolects. Okay, so think about this. If you wanted to say something's really good, how would you say it to your friends? How would you say it to your husband or your wife? How would you say it to your kids? How would you say it to your friends at work? Each of these you might use a different word, and this represents the different sociolects. So sociolects are influenced by different factors. I think they're influenced by money, status, age, occupation. I think it also depends on gender. I think different genders have different sociolects. They speak in slightly different ways. So the sociolect is dependent on the different social factors, and most people use various sociolects depending where they are. It depends on their location at that time. So each group has its own sociolect. If you play for a football team, then maybe that has one sociolect. But if you spend time with a group of lawyers, this would be a different sociolect. So it's the variety of language used by a particular group. So it's a dialect, but depending on the social group. Okay, so this phrase, it's effectively linked to sociology, because the sociolect that people speak is different. If you go surfing, there'll be a sociolect for the surfers that you hang out with. If you are a mechanic, or when you go to the garage, the sociolect that you speak will be different. So each situation has its own individual sociolect. And I think sociolects are quite interesting. And as I said before, different people are able to speak different sociolects depending on the situation that they're in. Okay, so a sociolect, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. I think this word was first coined in the 1970s, and the origin, well, the dialect, the way of speaking in each social group. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sociolect.